Going out to give the cows a little more hay, and I finally got Jen to drive. Now this means though that I have to open the gates. Hey girls!
He just called you a punk, Dad.
He's a punk.
You're a pee-wee punk, Dad.
You're a pee-wee punk.
You're a punk. Oh, that's what you were talking about.
Like the three... Did you just call me a punk?
Yeah.
What did you say about Manure, Josh?
Money.
Is that what Daddy says? Manure's the smell of money.
Yeah. One egg. Egg on that. One egg. One more, Becca. One more. More. One more.
Was just on my way over to plow, driving by this field, and I'll back up a little more here. Spotted a black bear. Just sitting there sunning himself, watching me. We're back over here plowing again. I don't have too much left now. That first piece that we started on, I got that done yesterday. And then over, let's see, where am I at here? Way over there. I got that piece done. There's probably 3-4 acres there. So I basically just got this chunk here. I don't know, there's maybe 8 acres or so left here. So we'll get started on that and hopefully get finished up.
Okay, so I'm just heading out to go check on Jessica's cow, Ella. Pretty sure she's calving. There, about half hour ago, she was holding her tail kind of out funny. I I would show you the birth, but then YouTube decides they don't want to monetize my videos, so I will show you the calf when it gets here. Here we go. Ella had a heifer. Had to give her a little help pulling that thing. I don't know why, because it's tiny. But quick little pull to get the head through, and then Ella did the rest. Good job, Mom.
I'm leaving. What you doing, Mom? I'm leaving. Look.
She's trying to get away from you.
Hey everybody, we're gonna get just finishing up on the disc, getting that ready there. Then we're gonna get my brother Paul and Matthew are both here. We're gonna take that 560 farmall and put it on the grain drill and get that hooked up, get it greased up and everything. I left some seed in there last year. Typically I don't do that, but I kind of forgot about it. Move this over here so you can get in the sun. So I gotta get that cleaned out and blow out, make sure all that's working. So we'll get that. I'll show you this grain drill a little bit here. It's a pretty good drill. I actually got it. A friend of mine was working out in North Dakota and he picked it up for me. It's an old drill. It's a press drill actually. You don't see a lot of them around here. There's a few issues with it, but I think it's a Model 100. I'll show you here. They changed a few things on it, the people that had it. It's got really long hoses on it because they used to pull it behind a disc. And they made it hydraulic lift. I think originally it was mechanical lift. It's got the rubber tires, the swivel wheels on the front. It does not have a grass seeder on it. The grain goes in this box. This is for fertilizer, this box here, but it's not hooked up. I don't use it. And then it's got spoked press wheels across the back. It works nice. It is kind of a pain if you got to go a long ways down the road because you either have to load it on a trailer or pull it pretty slow. The newer drills, if any of you are familiar with like the 620s or 6200 Internationals, they have a solid press wheel where these are spoked. The issue I have, if you get into a lot of small rocks, like fist size, can get stuck in there and stop those wheels from turning. So you have to kind of keep a close eye on that, but the price was right on it, and it's a lot in better shape than the one I had previously. I would still like to find a rubber-tired end-wheel drill, but for now this works. So we'll get it pulled up there and see if we can get it cleaned out and going. Yeah, we got it hooked up here, and it's amazing. You know, a machine that's pretty old like this, it's got a nice platform on the back you can stand on to get some really awesome video with your smartphone. It's amazing. They were really thinking ahead. Actually, it looks pretty good behind that 560. I've never had it on there before. Usually I have it on that 830 case, but I think a lot of these fields I'm going to kind of go back and forth to seed, so that narrow front it'll turn a lot quicker. Yeah, see, I left the seed in here last year, and you can see there's a couple of little spots here that leak a little bit of water. And then you get these darn clods. Usually I don't leave the seed in there, but I was intentionally going to use this drill again last year to plant some later oats, and I never did, and then I kind of forgot about it, that was still in there, but we'll get it cleaned out and oiled up. It'll be all right. Yeah, and then we got the disc, should be pretty much ready to go here. A couple of these arms I think I showed previously were cracked here. I've just found a neighbor, he had a couple of extra ones laying around, so I got them from him. Put them on, and the two gangs that were loose, we tightened them up and fixed a couple other little things, so this should be pretty ready to go. I got it all greased up and hooked up to the 1256 here, so we can bring that over and start disking.